Next up is the UNB 100 thickness gauge. Made in China, it's quite simple, compact, and reliable. There are no complications here. No auto calibration required, just turn it on. It loads quickly, you approach it, press it, and it shows 100 microns. This is a Japanese standard for car paint. It also has an additional backlight, which can be illuminated at night for easy visibility. Now we'll check the driver's door on a third-generation Honda CR-V. We know it's painted, and here's a spot where it reads 100 microns. 100 microns. We see 200 microns, which means the door is thinly painted. We take readings from the hood. 100 microns, 100 microns. 100 microns. The device is fully functional and runs on 2 batteries. The ones included. These are thin and easy to find at any market. They might come from China with a battery, but it's not guaranteed to be of good quality. So it's best to buy new batteries. The device has been around for a year now, and we've tested quite a few cars over the years. We found some obvious scammers who tried to deceive us when we bought the car. But this device helped determine the quality of the paint job. We recommend it, and we'll demonstrate the work using a second-generation Renault Mega as an example. It's completely covered in original paint except for one detail, the sill. 150 microns on the tire, 150 microns on the hood, and 100 microns on the passenger door. This sill is 600 microns after painting and treatment. The threshold indicators are elsewhere. As we can see, the device is working correctly and properly. Before checking the paintwork of a car, it is advisable to study the factory indicators. Because, for example, in Japanese cars, many are 100 microns. And in some cars, 150 to 200 microns. This is considered the norm, so you need to know the specific model and its paint indicators.